Prizm Draft 3514. Let me pull them on the site.
There's 4 left in the next one, John. 4 left in the next one, which is 35-15.
Dice roll 3 times. Teams first. 1, 2, and 3. 3 here, 3 here. Bills up top. Titans at the bottom. Three times now on your names. 1, 2, and 3. 3 here, 3 here. Tyler up top. Donnie Patterson at the bottom. Sort them out. Bills didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. There's your squads. Good luck, guys. Here we go.
Might as well get Google up. I'm sure there's going to be somebody we don't know. Israel.
Bonaconda.
K9. Dalvin Cook. First ink. Justin Hall. Out of Ball State University.
Raiders.
Justin Hall going to the Raiders. Christian Gonzalez. Bryce Ford Wheaton. Double autos.
Giants. Torn ACL.
Blue Wave of Jamison Williams to 249.
Man, that's not focusing up. That's blurry. There we go.
Jamison Williams on the red to 299. Dual autos, dual Jamison Williams. Bryce Young and Bijan Robinson on the hype. Not a bad first pack. Pack 2. Kayshon Boutte for the Patriots. Eric Gray, Jamison Williams, Amari Cooper, DeAndre Hopkins on the silver, and R.J. Sneed on the Saturday Star Ink.
I don't think he got drafted.
Max Crosby to 75. John Elway on the Red Wave. That one is not numbered. Lamar Jackson.
Yeah, I don't think he got picked up by anybody.
R.J. Sneed will be a random. Tank. Shawnee Miles Garrett. Drew Brees. Randy Moss. Josh Downs. 62 out of 75 on the blue ink.
I think he's a Colt.
I believe you're right.
I'm correct.
Blue cracked ice of Dante Demas Jr. /99. Another Dante Demas Jr. on the red wave. Jalen Carter on the Prizm break and trophy hunting of Johnny Manziel. Malik Cunningham. Duggan. Justin Fields. McCaffrey. Clark Phillips. Keontae Mitchell.
I think that just says Keaton there, Bob.
Keaton Mitchell. On the Mojo, 14/25.
Keaton Mitchell is a Baltimore Raven.
Going to the
undrafted rookie, made the roster. Look at him. There you go, Keaton.
Mojo. And we got gold of Cansey. 4/10 on the gold.
He's a Tampa Bay Buccaneer.
Jesus.
On to Anessa.
Tim DeMorant. Or DeMorat. DeMorat. What did you say, Spence? What did you say that last name is? Well,
DeMorat. He was with Washington.
Commanders.
I know he's a free agent, but he was with Washington last. Well, snakeskin.
Tony Dorsett and Brian Branch. Again, this will be random to the break. RJ Sneed is not on any active team or he wasn't drafted. Stuff's pretty nice. We hit gold, snakeskin.
Tremaine taking a couple squads in the PYT. You going to go recap first?
Yeah, I can do that. Let's recap it. As soon as it focuses in, I hate the recap. Max Crosby. Demas. DeMorat. DeMorat. Either or. Cansey. On the gold. Keaton Mitchell. Josh Downs. Jameson Williams. Bryce Young. Bijan. Wheaton. Justin Hall, and this will be random. R.J. Sneed to the break.
Guys, R.J. Sneed, dice roll 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The Jacksonville Jags, 8 here, 8 here. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.